Hello everyone. So today we are going to start the basics of the organic chemistry, and I'm going to start this series of videos with the classification of an organic compound. So what is an organic compound? Organic compound, it is made up of, or it is a combination of carbon hydrogen framework. Sometimes some other atoms are also present in this framework, like oxygen, nitrogen, halogens, etc. So the major part of this organic compounds, or these are also called as carbon compounds, is carbon. Most of the framework consists of the carbon. And another important part of this organic compound is hydrogen. Carbon hydrogen framework mainly makes up an organic compound. So along with this, some other heteroatoms may also be present, like oxygen, nitrogen, okay, other heteroatoms like sulfur, halogens, etc. So basically an organic compound is a combination of these things. Mainly carbon framework, hydrocarbon framework is present in these compounds. There are many types of organic compounds, wide range of organic compounds. So these are classified according to their structure as the following. They are classified like open chain compounds and cyclic compounds. In the open chain compounds, the carbon hydrogen framework is open. Here these are also called as acyclic organic compounds. See, there will be a chain of carbon hydrogen framework along with the other heteroatoms according to the molecule. So such type of compounds are straight chain compounds and branched chain. In the branched chain compounds, there are branches of carbon groups, methyls or ethyls, like this. So branched framework is present in the branched chain organic compounds. And the other class of organic compounds are cyclic compounds. So in the cyclic compounds, the carbons are connected to each other in a ring. A ring will be formed. These are ring compounds, ring like compounds, or cyclic compounds. They form a ring like structure. The carbons, they are bonded to each other and form a ring like structure. Sometimes apart from the carbon, other heteroatoms may be present as a part of the ring. Such type of cyclic compounds are called heterocyclic compounds. And if the ring is only made up of the carbon, ring skeleton is made up of only carbon carbon bonds, then that type of ring compounds or cyclic compounds are homocyclic compounds. And if apart from the carbon, if the ring is made up of other one or more heteroatoms, then such type of the cyclic compounds are called heterocyclic compounds. See, this is homocyclic. For example, its name is cyclohexane, and here there are 6 carbons, each carbon bonded to the other by the sigma bond. Here it is the cyclohexane, and it is a homocyclic because this ring framework is made up of only carbon carbon bonds. And the other class of compounds is heterocyclic compound. See, its name is furan. In the furan, it is a 5-membered ring. In this 5-membered ring, here the ring is made up of 4 carbons and 1 oxygen. So oxygen is a member of the ring. So here, apart from the carbon carbon bonds, there is also a carbon heteroatom bond. So it is a heterocyclic compound. And next, it is a tetrahydrofuran. Here also the same thing, it is also a 5-membered heterocyclic, and here the oxygen is the heteroatom, and this is its name is pyridine. In the pyridine, there are 5 carbons in the ring framework, and apart from the carbon, 1 nitrogen is present. So see here, like this, the nitrogen is also present here, in the ring structure apart from the carbons. Means apart from the carbon bonds, there are carbon nitrogen bond or carbon hetero atom bond. So it is also a heterocyclic compound. Now in the case of homocyclic compounds, there are other class of compounds. It is further classified into two types. One is alicyclic compound and the other is aromatic compound. In the alicyclic compound, it is carbon, the ring is made up of only carbons here, and here it is not aromatic. That is, these compounds do not follow Huckel rule, and the aromatic rings are also present like benzene. Aromatic compounds, so here it is also a cyclic compound, homocyclic, but it is aromatic ring. Here it follows Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. These are 3 pi bonds, 3 conjugated pi bonds. They participate in the resonance and contribute to the aromaticity of this compound. So this is a small classification of the organic compounds.